Precious Plastics are a sustainability student-led project within Engineering for Change at the University of Edinburgh. We're trying to make something out of nothing, so we're taking the waste that the mechanical engineering lab, the makerspace, and also just general students who are drinking coffee and stuff like that are making just through their usage, and then we're trying to make something out of that, whether that's through 3D printing or we're looking to also try injection molding.
So what we do is we have 5 different bins on campus, and then during our session we'll collect the bins and we'll take them to our labs, and then once we've got them at the labs we'll clean them with a sodium hydroxide solution, and then once we've cleaned them we rinse them a few times in the sink, so the pH of the water in the solution is around 8, which is kind of close to neutral. Then once we've done that we take them down to makerspace and they get shredded in the shredder. They extrude it, which kind of makes a long, thin kind of filament type thing, and then it gets fed into a 3D printer. This semester it's been a lot about experimenting kind of with the filament, see kind of what speeds on the little machine it makes the best filament, so it's not kind of bubbly, airy, that kind of thing. It's not too thin, not too thick, and then we 3D print super cool things. So it's cool because I guess the final outcome of the project is to show people that we do work, and it is a super cool process that works if you have kind of an initiative. We had an initiative with our coffee cup lids, and then we decided let's do some work with this. So rather than the coffee cup lids going to landfill and that kind of thing, so where they would sit for 30, 40 years, we've reused them and recycled them, and to show people like it does actually work. So yeah.